quick little update on the car. I changed my spark plugs yesterday, well, 2 days ago. I was having a no crank, no start issue, and you gotta go to this little box if you having the same problem. Mine is unscrewed a little bit already, so let me just lift it up. Shit. Alright, this little box right here, I thought it was my fuel pump. I was bad the whole time too. I was about to buy a fuel pump for no reason. This little box, you gotta take this off and change these fuses in it. Usually it's number 20 in the middle. I changed most of them. I just didn't change the last one over here. Try that before you even buy a fuel pump. Anything else. Do anything else. But right now, I'm still having a little misfire with the car. But that's usually when it's on low fuel. I did my expansion tank radiator. That's done. I haven't been having no overheating problems, none of that. So I'm gonna buy a spare just in case, just to keep for backup though. Spare expansion tank. But yeah, if you having that problem, try that first before you automatically assume it's a fuel pump. And another thing, OBD scanners really help. I don't have the right one, but they do work and let you know what's going on. I need to get new cord for my mass airflow sensor since this is messed up, so I could hook that up back. Cause yeah, if you having that problem with any E46, try it. It'll work. Well, try it before you even do the fuel pump, because everybody's car is different. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching real quick.